So we are here in Hanoi, and we're going to be going off to Halong Bay for a little bit. So we will see you there. You guys excited?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Really.
You excited?
What up?
So right now, where are we, Boos?
I don't know. we're at some kind of pit stop on our way to Halong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we just keep asking ourselves, how long till we get to Halong? Yeah. Spotted in his natural habitat. Hi, Paul.
I'm so tired, I haven't slept a wink. I'm so
Alright, so we're out here again on top of the boat, checking out the beautiful scenery that is here to offer.
So we just got off the boat, going away, and now we're going to hike for an hour and go to a cave.
What do you think?
It's cool. Yeah, I wish they didn't have the lights on. It's
Yeah.
kind of hard to take pictures.
Yeah, a little bit. What do you think?
I like it. It's really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I use the word cool. You gotta pick a new word.
Yeah, we do use the word cool all the time. It's very neat.
It's interesting.
So we are in the Dragon Cave right now, I think. We're still figuring out the name. It's pretty decent so far. It's just like very commercialized, as you can see. They put on the lights themselves, which is kind of strange. There's also like an office.
Yeah.
Just a random office.
No, I liked it. It was neat. Pictures won't do it justice. Videos won't do it justice.
Right.
That's all I have to say. Katie, back to you.
I liked it a lot. I thought it was like nothing I had seen before. I've never been to a cave.
Yeah.
So it was I'm trying to think of a different word other than cool.
Super cool.
It was awesome.
And yeah, I thought it was pretty good too. There was a lot of people, which kind of took away a little bit of the value. But in the end, it was a really big cave, and it was not really what I expected. So overall, good experience.
Rating out of 10, Keegan?
I give it an 8.
Katie?
7.
Yeah, I'll go in the middle. I'll say 7.3.
That's not the middle, Paul.
7 point.
That's not the middle. So we're heading back to the boat now. So we're gonna go on there until we head off to the new spot, which might have some kayaking for us. What is it, Katie?
Tots.
A pussycat.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Meow meow. It's like
Yeah,
a
you
cat.
see the ears, the tail, little paws.
So we're back from Halong Bay, currently in Hanoi. And we thought, okay, we're hungry, let's go get some dinner, so let's go get the classic Viet food. So we got Starbucks, bottle of Sprite, Pizza Hut. So it's about 10:45 right now. We're just finishing up some dinner, some late night dinner. Gonna be heading to bed. So this is Katie in my room, but we also have our other traveler. It's kind of stopping us from going to bed. Good morning, everybody. We are here bright and early in Hanoi, heading up for some breakfast right now. We've had a good sleep, rock hard mattress, but I mean, whatever. We're currently heading to, what's it called? The Note Cafe?
Coffee.
Cafe?
Cafe.
Cafe. So we're at the noted, the Note.
I'm gonna sit.
Hi, everybody. Whoa. This is just a great one.
The Note Cafe.
It says right on all these posters.
This is called the Note Cafe. Thank you, Paul. Just right around the square of Old City. And it's really cool.
It's awesome. It's so cute. I don't know if you can see. Well, yeah, you can behind us. It's literally just covered in sticky notes.
So
And
we
they
did
all
that.
have cute little sayings. So we're gonna write our own.
What are you gonna write?
You'll see.
Alright guys, we're just at the Note Cafe. Just got here, had some smoothies, had some bun. Now we're gonna write some notes on here. We got some notes, we're gonna put it on the wall. Gonna stick it on, gonna take some pictures of it, gonna have a great time. Alright guys, comment below, what would you write on yours if you were here? And let us know. Comment, like, subscribe, tell all your friends. See you next time on Live K Squared.
A live Paul squared. So some big news for what's going on today is there is a soccer match. There's Vietnam versus, Paul, who is it? Uzbekistan. Big game today. It's the finals of the soccer match. So the city's literally going wild. They have so many flags up. Woo! See? Like literally it's so cool. Just joined in a dance party. Paul, starring Paul, he was pretty much.
Yeah, you were in it too.
Yeah, I was in for a little bit. And then this lady wanted to dance with Paul.
I thought she wanted money. She put her hand out like this to me. What was I supposed to do?
No, she wanted to dance with Paul, and he like high fives her instead.
I didn't know.
So now we're just walking by and we found a shopping mall. So yeah, essentially. Okay, so we're hungry. We're gonna go get some food. There's apparently a restaurant that Obama came to when he was in Vietnam.
With Anthony Bourdain.
Who?
Anthony Bourdain. He's a chef.
Oh. Yeah, so we're gonna go check that one out. So right now we're waiting for the final leg of this soccer game. The crowd's going wild. Like, the city is literally alive. It's so fantastic to see. Everyone's going wild. Paul, what do you think?
Tired, feet are sore, but this is great. A little bit cold, it's 19 degrees.
And it's been misting literally all day.
Yeah. So Vietnam just got scored on in the penalty minutes. Not sure what's gonna happen, but it's not a good sign. Game over. Vietnam loses. You're at the water puppet show. Got good seats, right second row from the bottom. Good seats. We're pretty tired, so hopefully we don't fall asleep. Finished the water puppet show. Paul fell asleep. I thought it was cool. But yeah, now we got the party going on. Alright folks, so we're here at the, Paul, what is it?
Temple of Literature.
Temple of Literature. We're here. There's a lot of other people. It looks like there's a university class way over there.
Yeah, graduation.
So congrats to them. Oh, sorry, I'm in Paul's way. We're gonna go check it out, see how it is. Say hi. Hi.